Hello Epic family, this is Zaki and welcome to Epic Recipe. So what we are going to cook today? Let's cook king of vegetables. Potatoes. Yes, this recipe has its own very unique and different tastes. So you need to cut potatoes in this round shape, something like this. And now we will marinate these potatoes. Wasabi. Wasabi. Paprika, sweet or red chili. Turmeric. Little bit salt, grated tomato, little bit soy sauce, little bit grated cheese, Do not preheat your oven, just put it on heat. For 15 minutes, start fan. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you will like this recipe. Please try, and if you haven't subscribed our channel yet, please do subscribe. Take care, stay safe, stay healthy. До свидания.